Today I'm going to teach you how to shorten your Google Forms link. This is incredibly useful when you need to share a form through text messages, social media, or anywhere a long, unwieldy URL might look unprofessional or be difficult to share. Let's jump right in and get that link shortened. First things first, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the Google account that contains the form you want to work with. This step is essential because you need access to your Forms dashboard to proceed. After signing in, you'll find yourself on your Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms live. Look for the section labeled Recent Forms, which displays the forms you've been working on lately from this list. Click on the specific form you want to shorten the link for. This will open up that form in edit mode, allowing you to access all the sharing and publishing options. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Publish. Clicking this button is crucial because it ensures that your form is live and accessible to anyone who has the link. When you click Publish, a dialog box will appear confirming your action. Go ahead and click Publish again to confirm. This step makes your form active and ready to receive responses from your intended audience. Once your form is published, the next step is to access the link itself. Look for the Copy Responder Link button and click it. This action will bring up a new window showing you the full URL of your form. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll notice a checkbox right beside the text that says Shorten URL. Go ahead and check that box. Instantly, you'll see the long, complicated URL transform into a much shorter, cleaner version that's far easier to share and remember. Finally, click the Copy button to save this shortened link to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere you need, whether it's in an email, a text message, or a social media post, and it will look much more professional and be easier for people to type or click on. And that's it. You've successfully shortened your Google Forms link, making it much more convenient to share with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.